Okay, this is the Nightlife district. It's Saturday, and there's some people with musicians, and a girl looks kind of distressed or waiting or something like that. Without a cell phone, eh? It looks like a totally different era. So this whole row of neon lit trees, purple and green, this is basically signifies the nightlife area. So we're gonna try to get across. Sunrise is the first one on the corner here. There's some others. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There's some other guys that are drinking beer there that are statues, much like the other ones we saw. And we're just gonna run the camera through here. And it's a little bit too early, so there's not a whole lot going on at the moment. But we're gonna just film anyways and just see what we can see. But yeah, this one is I can't read that. I don't know what that says. But this one looks more like a loungy one. The one way down there was a club, Sunrise Club. This is another kind of loungy one. Steak bar and steak grill. Looks very romantic. We'll get a little closer so you can see how romantic it is. Yeah, you got romantic music. You got well, it's a little early. I think right now it's about 6 o'clock on a Saturday evening. And I don't know what time this gets going, but not at 6 o'clock anyways. So this one is a nightclub, RS Club. I think that one is definitely very late at night. And I think this one too, TT Club. TT Club, huh? TT? LTT, okay. That one I think is also a late at night one too. And then over there you got some City Cafe bar and grill. Those are kind of loungy, you can sit outside. And this one, it looks like there's like a bar outside, so people probably come out here, get some drinks, and you can just sit out here. I'm surprised those are they're probably all empty, I guess. Anyways, those are all a bunch of bottles. I guess you can see, I guess they might have things like that in there. I guess those are pictures from some of the better nights. Trance and Zhuhai, okay. Huh. Okay. Lockers, definitely a club, right? Put your stuff in lockers. And there's more stuff down there. The end of the streets is at the end of these red palm trees and the blue palm trees. So, but at least you kind of get a taste for it. And basically, there's a live music place I went to that was down at the end once with a friend of mine. So they have live music, and that one overlooks like a little bit of Waterfront, which might be where that big hotel is at. But anyways, basically it's kind of a mix of loungy, relaxed, restaurant kind of stuff, and then some nightclubs like this one. So I guess, I don't know. There's no dingy bars in this spot. It's all a little bit, there's something going on right now. You can hear somebody over speakers. Anyways, this is kind of what the nightlife area looks like. There's lots of other bars in Zhuhai, of course, but this is probably the C and B scene area, I guess you'd call it. So yeah, and if somebody's come to my channel to see the nightlife, this just kind of gives you a visible picture of what it's of the strip of nightlife, of bars and clubs, restaurants, or whatever. But actually, if you just walk around the city, you'll see just kind of random bars, and some of them are dive bars and all kinds that you might see anywhere else. So, okay. At least you get a taste for it anyways. I'm just gonna film, I'll just stick with the camera until we get to the end, and I'll film these two guys. They kind of mark the end of the street. And at the beginning of the street, there was two people with the musical instruments and a girl. So on this side of the street, there's a little handful of guys that are, there's another one over there. We'll see it in a minute. But yeah, this little guy kind of signifies something, Sunrise Club. And then these guys, there's another group of these guys at the end of the street. So together they would represent this nightlife area. So Sunrise Bar. Let me just see. This one also has some kind of cool stuff on the wall. Sunrise 88. Okay. There's another guy up here. See him. So, okay, looks like there's a little bit more stuff, but this basically signifies the bulk of it right here. I'll stick with the camera just a little bit more around the edge because you might be curious. So Sunrise 88 is right on the corner. Looks like a pretty popular place. And I think I've seen some more statues up on the going straight ahead that I see sometimes as well. So we'll just, I don't know if I'll film them or not, but I'll see if there's anything interesting worth filming between here and there. So this looks like just a hotel, I think. Probably looks like a maybe a love hotel because there's almost no windows in it. I'll just stick with this camera a little bit more because I think there's a bunch of statues up here. Nope, there's not. Must be a different street. Oh, they're gone. Anyways, we conclude right there. Zhuhai's Nightlife strip. This is where the statues usually used to be. There used to be a bunch of like heavy-set statue people that were kind of funny, not in a derogatory way, but just kind of entertaining, interesting, silly. And they're not here. But anyways, we're just gonna walk into the night. Saturday night.